ready?
Yeah.
No, I gave you grape.
Why?
It was the only one opened.
Okay.
That's why I had to give you grape.
I like grape. You don't like the grape anymore?
Well, kind of. But I just don't really want it.
What's going on, everyone? My name is JP. This is my wife Jordana and our kids Aurelia and Odin. Back on our 6th wedding anniversary, we decided we wanted to buy an RV and see the country. Fast forward to March of 2021, we sold our house, ditched all our stuff, and hit the road for what we hope will be a journey filled with a lifetime of memories. We hope you will join us on this journey as we wander to get lost. Alright, what's up everybody? So, I've been scraping away at the chairs. Got the bases cleaned because they carpeted over the base of the seats, so there was glue everywhere. So that's what I've been doing this afternoon. They're all done, so now I can put them back into the RV and trace around because I don't want to put the flooring underneath. I'm going to put the flooring up to them. Just I think it'll look a lot nicer, and I also don't want to compress this down on top of the floor and possibly crack the flooring along the edge. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So here's the other one. I don't know if you can see, nice and clean. So the one issue I do have is I cut the bolts off both these seats, so I have to go to Ford and get new bolts. But I can put them over the holes and trace around them. So yeah. Alright, so I got the seat in. I'm using the old bolts just to give me an idea where it is. I'm going to square this off of that wall and then trace around it, and then I'll know where to put my flooring up to. Yeah. So that's in position. Now this is my line that I originally drew for the plank to keep it straight off of this edge right here that ran this whole length. So I'm gonna start with this plank here. There's gonna be a cut here, go around, and then it's gonna continue forward. So I'm gonna just keep this in place and always just keep checking my measurements, set my boards to it, and then yeah, should be set. I'm gonna get this side done. Once I get this done, I can take the seat out and then finish this off and bring it across, and then do the driver's side. This is gonna take a while. a template for this seat cutout. I don't want to remove it from underneath the cab. There is a bolt and nut here. So I have my board. I'm just going to make a template of where the hole's going to be. Mark that on here, cut out the hole, take out this nut and bolt, slip that out, put it on top, and it should fit. Okay, so that's done. I gotta take this nut and bolt out, and then I can slip the template off. Okay, how are you doing?
Okay.
Got a little bit of this. So that's finished up there now too.
Great. What's happening under there, though?
Where? Yeah, that's the carpet.
No, I mean what you put. It didn't go all the way over the wood.
Yeah. I know. I gotta fix that a little bit.
Did it get stuck?
No, the glue didn't really stick, and then when I was cutting it, I had an issue. So.
Did you redo it?
No. I'm gonna put a little molding piece underneath there.
What about that ugly carpet we can see?
The what?
The ugly carpet we can see.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. Because that's like.
Oh, you're just gonna put molding, right?
Where? Over there?
Aren't you just gonna put molding so you don't see it?
Oh, over there?
On the bottom.
Yeah, underneath. Yes.
Yeah, so we don't see it anymore.
Yeah. So you
We're
won't
not
see
gonna
it.
see this either?
No, you're not gonna see anything.
So did you do that all in vain then?
No, because I needed the
Oh,
carpet under
slide.
there for the slide.
Okay. Cool. It's good, babe. What?
No,
What? What?
no, you're the quality control.
Well, I'm hired to keep you on your toes here. Otherwise, I'm gonna hire somebody else. What?
I said, yep. Alright, if this works, sweet. And then I can just trim the bottom off. Alright. A little tight. got one strip in here. Luckily I have some scrap. So I'm just going to take these guys. Just got to trim it down. And yeah, almost there. At least this part.